still cold now. It's really windy. I even got the socks on through the pine needles there. The rooster going on over there. There's quite a few spots you can get some shade while you're here. Just don't park under the pine cones. But yeah, I usually come here. Sort of camped right in that corner once. Just had a shower, $1 for 2 minutes. Yep, right in amongst all the wheat area here. Right, so I have decided to head off from Gulnare. We could have found some really nice shady spots for the day, but I'm just going to sort of inch it a little bit further east, probably go as far as Lake Bonney or Renmark, and yeah, so you can sort of camp that side and have shade for the morning. Yeah, I won't go as far as Renmark, I think. That'd have to be up there for one of my most favourite camp spots, I think, Gulnare. You always get shade, afternoon, morning, doesn't matter. Nice area too. Yep, thanks Gulnare. See you again one day. Going through Spalding. Always reminds me of tennis, this town. Spalding. So I'm heading to Burra. So we've got Burra 43, Morgan 127, Renmark 239. So I'm not going to be going any further than Renmark, so I don't know where I'll end up. Here. A few of them. Oh. Coming into Burra. Peacock's Chimney, part of the original mine, built in 1857. So when it was needed to be relocated for open cut, it was demolished in 1971 and then rebuilt in 1972, relocated here. It's got a National Trust thing on it there. Just took a detour up to the open cut lookout here, the open cut mine. It says here first work between 1845 and 1867. and then it was between 1870 and 1877 it was worked revolutionary open cut method. It was one of the earliest attempts to open cut low grade metals. So there you go, it copper and ore. There you go. So there's a few old buildings still here. Still a few old shells around of the buildings. It says here the Burra township, so there's a few names here. So they're sort of almost like suburbs. New Aberdeen, Aberdeen, Millerton, Redruth, looks like a Welsh name, Hampton, Coringa. There you go. Yeah, definitely you can see a couple of suburbs, a few there and then a little gap more over there. It's quite a big place. I'm actually just travelling through. If I had been actually planned to stay here, I would have gone into the mine and a bit of a look around, but maybe the next time I come through. Yeah. Hot down there in the valley, up to the top of the hills again. But I've used Burra a few times in a few movies too, a few old period piece movies. I think more like back in the 70s and the 80s and things. Yeah, I think we're starting to come out of the hills now. Starting to get into the flatter area on the way to Morgan. Great tailwind at the moment too. The car's almost pushing itself along. Glad to be doing this bit on a cooler day. Yeah, I've done this when it's really hot. So it will be a bit hotter a couple of hours time though. Morgan. It's quite a good drive actually. It's starting to get a little hot with the heat, but not too bad. So we've got the Murray River here. And the old Morgan jetty should be down here somewhere. There it is. The old jetty. Wharf. Morgan Wharf. Yeah, when I came through here, could have been a few months ago heading over to WA, those houses there in the stilts, there was water running under them. So they not long had their flood too. I think it was one of them anyway. So I have been here twice in the last couple of years. So yeah, a few months ago all that grass there was all brown. So yeah, they had not long had the floods. I'll have a little drive down there in a sec. Just going through Morgan. Yeah, a few months ago all that grass was just all brown mud. They'd not long had the flood, a flood. Yep, so that's the Murray River. We've got the the Morgan ferry as well, 3 ferries. The ferry's got a real crosswind today. They're free, those ferries. They run 24 hours a day. There's a lot of houseboats right up there. They first started using punts back in 1850s. The first official ferry built in Morgan 1906. The Morgan Wharf right up there, which I have filmed with the drone before. Right, so that's Morgan. Burra, 88 kilometres, so that might be where I might have a little bit of a try for a camp. There's Lake Bonney there, so I'll see what's there. Well, that's Lake Bonney there. Seems like most of the free campgrounds are closed apparently due to flooding, but I might head down more towards Burra. I've been at a place there many years ago. Well, I'm at the Murray River again at Martin's Bend Drive. I'm going to camp here tonight, about $5. It's a very nasty day, a very hot wind. But here there's the Murray River again. Hopefully I can find a shady spot. Alright, so got to Burra, right on the Murray River here. I'll stay here and wait out another day and head on to Victoria after that. If you like this video, don't forget the thumbs up and the notification button and the subscribe button. And welcome to all the new subscribers. And I'll see you in Victoria tomorrow. Well, a bit more of South Australia, so head into Renmark, have a quick look there. Alright, thank you.